Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, we're whipping up a dish that's going to have your taste buds dancing with delight. A creamy, cheesy, and bacony potato casserole that will have everyone coming back for seconds. So grab your potatoes and let me show you this tasty recipe for Twice Baked Potato Casserole. To make the best Twice Baked Potato Casserole, you need the best potato. Let me introduce you to my friend here, Russet. Say hello, Russet. He can't because he's a potato. The russet potato is the best because it doesn't get gummy like some of its cousins do. It's a real quality of a specimen. Start by washing and peeling those potatoes. Sorry, Russet. For added texture and flavor, leave a little bit of that skin on. I've peeled the 4 pounds of potatoes and now I'm going to cube them into about 2-inch pieces. Place the cubed potatoes in a large pot with 8 cups of chicken broth and bring to a boil over high heat. Once they've come to a boil, you're going to reduce the heat to a medium and let the potatoes simmer until they are tender, which is about 15 to 20 minutes. I love using chicken broth for this because it really gives extra flavor to those potatoes. They're boring anyways, so give it the extra wherever you can. While our potatoes are boiling, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the potatoes are cooked, you'll know because they are fork tender. And then you need to drain off that fluid, all but 1 cup worth. You can definitely save that liquid for another soup or whatever you desire. Then place those cooked potatoes and reserved juice into a large mixing bowl. Add to that 1/2 cup of salted butter, 2 cups of sour cream, and then 1/2 cup of diced green onions. Go ahead and just add those straight to the bowl. 1 cup of cooked and crumbled bacon, and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then mash everything together until the ingredients are fully combined. Then fold in 1 cup of that shredded cheddar cheese. Then you're going to want to lightly grease a 9x13 pan. Then carefully pour in that potato mixture. Spread it evenly in the pan. And then top that with that remaining 1 cup of cheese. Then we're gonna bake this in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Take the casserole out of the oven and let it cool for just a few moments before enjoying, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.